Hi guys. අපි අද ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නවා කටාර වල තියෙන ලොකුම බෝට් ෂෝ එක බලන්න. කටාර් බෝට් ෂෝ 2024.
Ratha Production.
පාස් එක යාළුවනේ අපි අද දවසට බුක් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. දැන් අපි ඇතුළට ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ. අපිට එහා පැත්තට යන්න පියම් ගිහින් බලමු. දැන් අපි ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ කටාර වල තියෙන ලොකුම බෝට් ෂෝ එකක් බලන්න. එතකොට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේ දෙපැත්තෙම බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් කේක විදිහේ යොට් තියෙනවා. ඒ වගේම පරණ බෝට්ටු මේ පැත්තෙන් බැලුවොත් ඔයගොල්ලන් බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් පරණ බෝට්ටු. ඊටසේ මේ පැත්තෙන් කේක සයිස් එකේ යොට් තියෙනවා. ලොකු ඒවා පොඩි ඒවා තාම ෂෝ එක පටන් අරගෙන නැහැ. මේ පැත්තෙන් බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට. යාළුවනේ මේ විදිහේ විශේෂත්වය තමයි මේක එන කට්ටියට බලන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ වගේම බලන්න එන කට්ටියට මේක බලලා ඒගොල්ලන්ට මේ යොට් මිලදී ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඕගොල්ලන් බලන්න මෙතන දර්ශනයක්
You can remove your shoes, or we have the shoe covers here.
Okay.
Before we come on board. There we go. So this is Athena 2, as you can see, and here we have the cockpit area here. In the cockpit area we have one TV here that can come down. This here is our garage. The garage is where we store our sea toys, sea bobs, paddleboards, jet skis, and it has a drop, which means the jet skis can go out into the water here. On Athena we have a sink downstairs, also on the flybridge, an ice maker and a fridge. If you'd like to go through to the salon. Have you ever seen Mary Joseph or any other catamarans before?
This is the first one.
Ah. So on our catamaran here we have 4 cabins. We have the master, the VIP, the twin.
Even the furniture is right?
Yes. Everything is bright. I like this. Yes. In our salon also we have one TV in the roof, and I will show you. So everything on our boat is electrically operated here, just on the tablet. So just be careful of your head underneath the TV. And both TVs on the boat are 360 rotating, so they can be moved to any position. And obviously with the interiors of the boat, they can be designed however you would like them to be. That's the best thing about the subreef yachts. They're very personalized. Everything can be removed or everything can stay.
Usually you customize yacht for customers, or you prepare yachts and then you sell it.
So usually with the yachts, people will find interest in the size, the model, and then they will say how they would like the boat to be, the colors, the style, where you would like to place certain things. So it's very personalized to you for
What
what
about
the energy.
the electricity?
Solar panel on our boat, yes.
As per the customer, you will decide everything inside.
Yes.
Like materials,
Yes.
furnitures.
Everything, of course. So if you go down, on your left side is the VIP cabin and the right is the master cabin.
Because you have this just name for me one more that
Single room.
So again, everything personalized. In each cabin they have a television, electrically moving. Everything is electric here. The TV, and also the bed is electric for storage. The nice thing about these boats, I'll show just behind you here, sorry, is because obviously on boats there isn't massive amounts of storage. Everything's quite hidden.
So you can basically live in it.
Yes, of course. There's a wardrobe behind you, and even in the bathroom there are hidden mirrors, cupboards behind all of the mirrors. When I first came, I was like, wow, that feels like a handle, and it's like, there's a storage.
Yeah.
But yeah.
So there's a lot of storage like everywhere.
Yes.
I've seen that storage as well.
These are not storage. These are for the wiring and parts of the boat
right.
themselves. But all here and underneath the actual carpets as well. We have in certain cabins, say if you'd like fridges, anything that you would like can be fixed. Or maybe diving gear, etc. But
Yeah.
also if you go under, there's like storage boxes for me if I need to store things.
For you.
Not
that's
for
amazing.
me, but
No,
my
that is
cleaning
amazing.
supplies.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yes.
Honestly.
Because with our boat is not charter, but with charter boats, they need to hold lots of stock for in case they're in areas with no availability to shop,
Yeah,
which is really good about these.
definitely. Would you say that a lot of people do live on yachts?
I would.
Yeah.
If I could, I would.
Yeah.
For me,
It's. Would you say it's something you can do, like realistically?
yes, 100%. For me, obviously, I love nature. I love natural nature. So to be able to see the sunsets, the sunrises
Oh, that's amazing.
at sea is such a privilege. It's the best part of the job for me. I absolutely love it.
And you don't feel like the movement too much, do you?
No, not really. Obviously, at high tide, waves, there's nothing you can prevent from the boat rocking.
Yeah.
But fresh air and everything moves very smoothly in the catamarans, I have to say, very
Yeah.
smooth. It's very nice. Okay, and then on the opposite side, we have, on my boat, it's been personalised. So yeah, on my boat, we have children, so we have the bunk beds,
Okay, that's cute.
which are for, and then I think this is quite a spacious cabin, which is quite nice. And pretty much all of the cabins have lots and lots of storage. All these are storages and everything. It's perfect.
All the cabins are same, no? Like
Similar, I would
Similar.
say. I'd say the size of this one's bigger than the VIP.
VIP.
But obviously with the VIP, the bathroom tends to be a little bit bigger. So they're quite different.
With this one, there is a 3-bedroom.
4 bedrooms on this one.
Other side,
Yes. Other side there's the 2,
2.
the VIP and the master,
Master.
and this side 2 obviously. However, we realistically can sleep 2, 4, 6, 10.
10
If
people.
we and also the salon is big enough to sleep more, but
No,
realistically 10 people on
10
board.
people.
But it's perfect for hosting events. Obviously we have the surround system, music everywhere, on the flybridge, on the cockpit, outside also, everything is surround sound, and it can all be linked together, which is nice. Hi!
Yeah. Sunbed area here, so when you're sailing, you can stay here in the front, enjoy the sea breeze in the evening, maybe have a little cocktail there. because that creates more privacy, because at the stern when you are in the port, people watching you, here you have more privacy.
This is crew cabins. Yes, we have 4 crew on board, but we have crew cabins on the aft of the boat. So
The back side.
yes, we have 1 crew cabin there that has 2 beds, and then we have the 2 beds on each side here.
This side and this side.
Yes. Yes.
Can we open this one?
You can open my one.
Yes, I'm Italian.
I told Italian. My students always say that.
Yes, of course.
Oh, God.
I know. Pasta.
कैब ले लो.
Sorry.
चलो.
Let's go. I'm from the, well, ethnically I'm Algerian.
This is my cabin.
This is cool.
It's quite spacious for a catamaran because obviously in catamarans this is where the
To come for the...
yes
Yeah.
there's no room because the beams are here. But for us we have quite big cabin spaces, which is really
Normally, how
nice.
many cabin crews is there for the operation?
So I think on different models we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's availability for maybe between 4 to maybe 6 crew.
Minimum for
I would say, yeah. On these boats you need 4 crew.
4 crew.
The captain, the chef, the stewardess and the deckhand.
Normally, this ship is operated in which country now?
So we're currently based in Dubai.
Dubai.
Yes, that's where we're based. And obviously we're a private boat, so we haven't been with Russellheimer, etc. places like this, but quite close to home.
Close to home.
Yes.
For this top area? is-
Yes, of course. This is the fiber.
And you teach in one special school or?
Hi, are you the tour guide? No? Okay. You have to make a reservation in the office before you can come on the boat, unfortunately.
Okay.
The flag.
Okay.
No, the other side. The other side. The other side because it's slightly different.
There we go. I'll just offer if they'd like to come. Would you like to come with us upstairs?
Yeah.
Private? Upstairs, there we go.
I already.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Ini namanya rooftop deck. Ini namanya jotek rooftop deck.
You're welcome. Lovely to meet you. Enjoy the rest of your time here in Qatar.